Welcome back to the Perrytales. We are up here in North Georgia in the Blue Ridge area.
Yes, we're at Tallulah Gorge.
Tallulah Gorge right now. That's the first stop of a few today.
Yep.
So,
Leaf peeping up here.
you ready to go check it out?
Yeah.
Brought the sister-in-law along. What up, Rach?
What's up?
You ready to go see Tallulah?
Yes, I am.
So we've been here a few times in our life, and this is a regular stop on the way. It's kind of a bummer, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm a little sad. That's like the best part of Tallulah.
A little suspension bridge.
I know, and we've been telling.
So mad.
We've been
So
telling- We've
disappointed.
been telling Rachel the whole time, like, oh my God, Tallulah is so pretty, and they have the prettiest bridge, and then it's closed.
Wah, wah. Don't get to see it.
No, so off to the next hike, I guess.
What a bummer. All right, let's head on out.
Let's roll.
Okay, way over there on the other side of the gorge is where we went on our honeymoon thinking it was the Tallulah Gorge,
Yes.
but it was not.
It was not. It was our first trip together, and we had like no idea what we were doing. And we pulled, and we thought this was like the Blue Ridge State Park, and it was just like a little overlook. But
We later on, a couple years later, found the real Tallulah, and that's where we're at today.
yes.
Wow.
What happened there?
Rachel about ate it.
Yeah, it was almost like Colorado all over again. I tripped on a root.
So where are we at now?
All right, guys, here we are at the world famous Tallulah suspension bridge.
Woo! Great place. I'm glad that we paid $5
Yes.
to
These
come to
views.
this amazing bridge. Look at that gorge down there.
All right, so we made it to our second location today. We thought we knew where we were going, but
Yeah, we nothing looks familiar. We thought we were going to a place we went last year, and we drove around a lake and then lost service, lost GPS service, and then here we are.
so we're gonna do this hike. So
We have no idea how long it is, so
hopefully it won't take us 10 hours to do.
we'll see.
I can hear water, so we should be close. Okay, so we've made it to the second location. I don't want Paige to hear me because I think she told us the wrong trail to go to. This is, and none of this looks familiar to me. We're gonna find out how long this hike is. So what we got going on here, guys?
Well, Rachel changed out of her hiking shoes.
Yeah, I just changed out of my hiking shoes into my Vans because I was like, I don't need them. And now we are crossing a creek.
Let's see what
So
y'all got.
let's see how my Vans hold up.
I'm probably not gonna be good either because I'm in tennis shoes. I'm coming. I'm coming. Any of this seem familiar at all?
Negative. Like not even a little bit.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever done this hike.
No. And this could be like 20 miles. We don't even know.
We could be hiking into Tennessee right now.
We could be, I don't know where we are. We're like, yeah, Rachel, we'll show you around. We'll take you to all the hikes we've done, and now we're lost.
We've been here 100 times, huh? I think we're finally getting close. I can hear some waterfalls. Do you think this is Angel Falls?
Negative.
You think it's just in between?
I don't know. Rachel thinks this is just the bottom.
I think
The bottom of the
yeah, I
falls.
think that if we go up further, there's going to be more, but I don't know.
Maybe a monster falls.
All right, well,
We'll find out. Let's see.
let's go.
Let's roll.
I could show you a picture, but that would
See,
ruin
aren't
it.
you glad that we're going to keep on going?
Yeah.
I'll have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, so we made it to the falls.
Yeah. Not the falls that we thought it was, but
I'm gonna bleep that out because this is a hidden gem, and y'all don't have to know every hike we do.
yeah,
So
keeping it local.
this one's beautiful and this one's local, so we're gonna keep it that way.
All right.
All right, stop 3 for today.
Yes, we're in the little city of, or the little downtown of Dahlonega. It's one of our favorite little towns up in Georgia.
Cool, quaint, pretty little town.
So we're gonna walk around. There's like a really cute little shop that's got all kinds of Christmas stuff. So we're gonna check that out and then maybe hit some outlets. The night is young.
Let's check it out. Okay, we've accomplished downtown Dahlonega.
Yes,
Got my new hat. We got,
we got some fudge.
some fudge
There's
on
a
it.
hat in here, not just fudge.
About 3 pounds of fudge in there. But we're wrapping up here and we're about to head to the outlets.
Yep.
So, you ready to head that way?
We're ready.
Let's go. All right, wrapping up here at the outlets in Dawsonville. Is it Dawsonville? But we're gonna go shopping and
We
call it a
out.
night. So, till the morning.
Till the morning. We took her, okay, we took her to how many waterfalls? And like, she gets excited.
Okay, so we have got parked, but they've got the parking lot shut down in Lake Vogel State Park. So we decided to park a half a mile away and truck up the road here with the busy highway with motorcycles and cars going by every second. But hopefully it'll pay off. All right, made it, guys.
Made it.
As you can see from the fallen debris, there was a storm that come through here and it shut down the Blue Bridge, and you can see trees everywhere down here. A little tropical storm or Category 1 come through here about a week ago. All right, Rach, we're leaving Vogel round. What'd you think?
Brilliant, fantastic, beautiful, show-stopping.
She only got to see like not even half.
It was really pretty though. The parts that we did see, I got to see the lake and we saw the waterfall, so I'm good. It was good.
You saw the highlights.
Yeah.
Yes. Highlight reel.
Guys, so we just made it to downtown Blue Ridge. Dustin's like sprinting. I can't even catch him because he's in such a hurry to go to Huck's General Store. We've come the past like 2 or 3 years, and there's a guy that works in there. Dustin calls him Huck. That's not even his name. It's just the name of the store. And he just like loves him. So we're gonna go see if he's working.
We're in Blue Ridge, guys.
Yes, downtown Blue Ridge.
I'm nervous, anxious. My hero is here, hopefully. Huck.
Your hero.
Huck. I want to be best friends with this guy. So I'm a little anxious, a little nervous right now.
We'll find out. He's usually here on like night shift, so we're a little bit early. We might miss him.
Did you find the size you needed?
Yes.
Okay. Grand total, it's a large loop. $20, brother.
All right.
Insert the chip. Hit the green button for me, please. So what's going on? What are we doing?
We are vacationing.
Okay.
She's making a little video.
I love it. I love it.
We come here every year.
Where's home?
We're from like North Florida.
Okay. Grab your card. And are we celebrating anything?
Just once a year trip up here.
Okay. All right.
We come see you once a year.
You got some great weather.
Yeah.
Thanks for getting the shirt representing.
I've gotten all your hats.
We appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right, let me just get this receipt printed out. All right. You guys have an awesome day.
All right,
thank you so much. Take care, young lady. Thank you. Hey, lady, how you doing?
All right, guys, we just left Huck. Dustin's like still shaking. He's sweating. We just had his encounter with old Huck.
Yeah, I wish I had my gimbal because I know I got camera shake right now. But that was a success. He's cool as ever. I mean,
nothing's changed in a year.
I meant to ask him to be my best friend, but I choked on that.
Yeah.
But I would say success.
Success. Yeah, we're out.
Okay, we just wrapped up in Blue Ridge, Georgia. A little downtown area. Saw my best friend Huck. You know,
Checked out all the shops.
Yeah, cool stores. Check out Or if you go. It's a really cool leather store for men.
Mm-hmm. And then canoe.
But we're heading to our hotel, wrapping up the trip. So it was a great trip. Thanks for coming, Rach. It was fun.
Thanks for having me.
But anyways, guys, thanks for watching Perrytales, and until next time, we will see you later.